In this video, I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars every single week with CPA marketing. And for those who don't know what CPA marketing is, basically you make money when you get people to sign up for an offer or install an app. So basically you don't need people to make purchases before you earn money online. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. In fact, starting off with a huge recommendation, here is a free webinar and I'm going to be leaving a link in the description to this webinar. So you are going to be learning everything you need to know about native ads. Think of it, if you are running ads to CPA or affiliate offers and you don't know how to optimize your campaigns, definitely you are throwing your money in the wind. So basically you want to come over to attend this webinar where you literally get to learn from experts in the industry. And this webinar right here is brought to you by AdCombo and Taboola. You are going to be learning firsthand from experts in the industry. As you can see, we have Ilamak Unasimic from AdCombo and we have Andre from Taboola. So basically these are experts right here that are going to teach you how to stabilize your ROI and maximize your earnings running native ads to affiliate or CPA offers. So basically you want to take advantage of this free webinar right here. And as you can see right here, these are all you are going to be learning from this webinar: the right geos for offers, ad budget calculation, landing page adjustments, and how to optimize your campaigns. And also you are going to get support from Taboola and AdCombo. This webinar right here is going to be holding on 1st of November 2022, 12 p.m. UTC time. So basically you want to sign up right here by basically entering your name, your last name right here, your email, your country. You want to also select your preferred traffic types right here. And basically all you need to do is to select your ad budget right here. And you want to click on this register for free right here. So basically that is all you need to do so you don't miss out on this huge opportunity to learn from experts in the industry. So moving on to the video, as you can see, this is a very simple landing page that I made on Google site. So basically you want to create a simple landing page like this and you want to have a text like this on your landing page. Number one online app review site, more than 568 apps listed daily. And now you want to leave a button right here, and whenever people click on this button, it's going to bring them to this page right here that is going to ask them to install 3 apps for them to pass the test. So basically now you may be wondering, what test do they need to pass? I'm going to be explaining everything in this video. So the next thing basically is to go over to your CPA account and you want to create a content locker. If you are using OG ads, you want to basically come over to content locker right here to create a locker. Or you can come over to your Cpagrip account, and if I refresh this page right here, as you can see, over $200 on this account right here. And if I click on this locker right here, you can see right here, this is the template that I'm using to promote this content locker. Okay, so to get this template, I've made it easy for you. All you just need to do is to click the link in the description. You want to copy the HTML code right here. Okay, so if you copy the HTML code, you want to go back to your Cpagrip account and you want to remove this code and you want to paste in the new code right here. And if you go back to the page, you can see there's a CSS code right here. You want to copy the CSS code as well. So once you copy that, you want to come over to CSS section and you want to paste in the code right there. All right. And now the final thing you need to do is to basically come over to general right here. You want to make sure you select 4 offers right here. Okay, to show 4 offers to your visitors. And now you want to click on this show offer right here. And you want to make sure you select CPI as the priority. Okay, so basically what this does is it's going to show app install offers to your visitors. Okay, so once you select this right here, the final thing you need to do is to come over to the advanced section right here and you want to select 3 leads required, but this depends on you. You can change it to 2 or you can change it to 1. Basically this depends on whatever you want. All right, so when you're done, all you need to do is click on save right here. So once you do that, you want to come over to this get link right here and you want to copy your content locker link. Then you want to go back to your landing page. Okay, so once you come over here, as you can see, this is a simple drag and drop landing page right here. It's nothing complicated at all. And also you can use breezy.io as well. They have numerous templates that you can use to create landing pages for absolutely free. Okay, and another important thing you should note is you need a domain for this method right here. And if you don't have money to purchase a domain, you want to basically come over to freenom.com to get a domain that you can use for absolutely free. All right, as you can see, an example right here is getjobsnow.tk. Okay, so basically this is a .tk domain because I got it for free from Freenom. And for those who don't know how to link a Freenom domain to Google site, I have already made a video dedicated to that. I'm also going to be leaving a link to that video in the description so that you can go watch how to link a Freenom domain to Google site. Okay, and if you have some budget, which is the one I recommend, is to go over to purchase a custom domain from website like namecheap.com, domain.com, and these other options right here. So now if you come over to Google site right here, you can see this is the button right here. All I just need to do is to paste in the content locker link right here. Okay, as you can see, this is the content locker right here. So once I paste that right here and people click on this get started, they will be taken to where they can download those apps. All right, now I know you are confused and why do people need to install apps? Now you want to come over to Facebook and you want to type in job seekers in United States right here. Okay, and you want to filter to groups. So basically once you do this, it's going to show you groups for people who are looking for jobs in United States and other countries. As you can see, this is a group right here for people in Pennsylvania. As you can see right here, you can see this another one for Texas right here. You can see over 100,000 people in this group. You can see this one right here, over 89,000 people in this group alone. So basically this group right here, you can get free traffic who are going to complete your CPA offers. So I'm going to be taking this group right here as an example. So if I click on this right here, you can see this is a post right here. You can see over 88 comments on this post alone. And also you can see another post made by this person right here. You can see over 100 people have made comment on this post right here. So basically you are going to do something similar by basically coming over to this section right here, and you want to basically type in something like this: iOS and Android app testers needed. Okay, and you are going to write something like this: hi there, we are a new company looking for remote workers to test 5 apps daily for our review websites. Reviewers are required to have an iOS or Android device. Each app review takes 2 to 3 minutes. $100 daily payment. If interested, comment below. You want to add an image. All right, you want to add an image that look like this. As you can see right here, we are hiring people who want to work from home. We have 10 places available. We are waiting for you in our team. So basically this is going to get the attention of people who are interested in jobs right here, and all they need to do is to basically comment below. And if you are wondering how to create these graphics right here, you can basically come over to Canva and you are going to see a lot of templates that basically all you just need to do is edit, drag and drop to create that graphic. All right, so once you have this done, all you just need to do is to click on post right here. So once you post that to the Facebook group, people are going to start replying. All right, as you can see, this is an example right here. Like I said, this is a Pennsylvania group. You can see this person right here is from Pennsylvania. So all you just need to do right here is to reply this person or whoever replies the post, or you can basically send them a DM by clicking on this message right here. And all you just need to do is to send them a DM like this: thanks for your interest, we would love to hire you. However, before we do, our policy requires you to take one-time test to verify you can review 5 apps daily. Click on the link below to take your test. As you can see, this is the link to the landing page right here. And once they click on the link, they are going to be brought to this page. And if they click on this get started right here, they will have to install 3 Android or iOS apps right here. Okay, so basically once they do that, you are going to get paid in your CPA account. And another traffic source you can use is basically coming over to Reddit. So if you come over to Reddit, you want to basically type in job search right here. Okay, so if you type in this on Reddit, you can see there are subreddits that are dedicated to people who are looking for jobs to make money online. As you can see, this one right here, job search USA. And also keep in mind, majority of Reddit traffic comes from United States alone. All right, so basically if I take this one right here as an example, so once you are here, all you need to do is to come over to this create post. So once you do that, you want to basically paste in the same text right here. Okay, and you want to paste it as the title right here. So once you do that, now you want to basically come over to this add image right here, and you want to basically upload the same image like the one on Facebook. All right, so once you have that done, all you just need to do is click on post right here. All right, as you can see, it posted successfully. So people are going to start commenting below, and all you just need to do is to send them the same text right here, like this person on Facebook right here. You want to use this same script right here. Okay, so basically once they do this, they are going to be taken to this page, and once they complete these offers, you make money. It's that simple. So basically, you want to repeat this same process for as many Facebook groups as you can find. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.